After receiving the equipment, please check whether the appearance is abnormal. Check whether the parts and the power connection cable are loose or not. This equipment is a new energy electric steering system. Includes electric steering system, steering wheel, wheel and tire, front axle and suspension, etc. Connected to a 220-volt power plug. When we don't turn on the ignition. At this point we turn the steering wheel. It's very heavy and hard to turn the wheel. Now we turn the key to turn on the ignition. At this point, the gauges on the panel will light up normally. After turning on the motor again, we turn the steering wheel at this point. Compared to the previous time, it is very light to turn the steering wheel. When we turn the steering wheel, we can clearly see the mechanical structure at the bottom. We can observe the internal damping and tire rotation process. The panel is equipped with circuit diagrams and terminals. Each circuit diagram corresponds to each other in real time. Set your multimeter to 20 volts DC. Black connects to the negative terminal. Connect the red color to the corresponding hole. The corresponding signal voltage value can be obtained from the multimeter. Connect the OBD. Select the corresponding system. Select the corresponding model. Find the steering system. Read the current fault code. The faults currently displayed are all unrelated steering faults. Current fault codes can be cleared. Each fuse corresponds to the panel circuit diagram. Each fuse is individually removable. It can be used for measurement and the following terminals. If any fuse is damaged, please replace it with a fuse of the same size. Now demonstrate the monitor software. Connect the monitor to the power supply. Make sure that the bottom converter box is activated properly before use. Diagnostic connector on the bottom is equipped with the other end. Check if the connection is secure. And the cable on the monitor side. Launch and open the smart software that comes with your desktop. Double-click to open. Enter the software and select the second option. Select steering system. Select the entry system in turn. This also allows you to read fault code. It can also clear the fault codes. You can read the data flow of the steering system. Click Select All to start reading. At this point, all the data is displayed. Turning the steering wheel at this time, you can see the current data changes through the display. Before opening the software, please check whether the computer Wi-Fi is connected. The device name and password will be placed on the device holder. Turn on the computer Wi-Fi. Ensure that the connection is the beginning of the EV Wi-Fi, the default no password automatically already connected. After confirming that there is no error, open the faulty software. Now it will jump to a login page. Login account and password are on the bracket label. When you need to input, you can slide the left side of the screen to the right to call out the keyboard. Then you can enter your account number and password. After logging in, the screen will show the current device. Click on the second item to display the current signal voltage. The third item is fault test. The fourth item is video learning. You can add some corresponding videos by yourself. In order to ensure the stable operation of the equipment, please don't set the internal parameters to avoid equipment data confusion. Turn on the fault setting. Set multimeter to 20 volts DC. Connect the negative terminal in black. Connect the red color to the corresponding pole. The current voltage is about 12 volts. It's almost the same as the voltage shown on the device. They also correspond to each other. Now use the software to set the short circuit status. When you click on it, the multimeter will show an abnormal voltage, no voltage. At this point, the steering wheel becomes very heavy. At the same time, turn on the voltage display. The original 12-volt voltage becomes 0. When you need to recover, press the recovery button again. At this time, the voltage display of the multimeter and the fault software will be restored. Turning the steering wheel will now become very easy. When you're done, manually shut down the computer. Then unplug the computer.